here's the thing. You're an entrepreneur, John. And the life of an entrepreneur, it's always easy, isn't it? Exactly. It is not. He's brilliant beyond brilliant. The guy is a genius, and I'm not overstating it. I tell you not.
When it's your own business, you're too close to it to really see some of the connections, and it's good to work with an outside expert. And if you're really lucky, you'll actually get a mentor. Finding a mentor is 10 times better than a coach. This is money, entrepreneurs, so you better pay attention. This is what I teach, and this is where I come from.
Everything you teach, I know personally for a fact, you have practiced successfully.
The practice makes the master. Practice makes the master.
Yes. That just catapulted my life.